Water, it is the lifeblood of civilization, a force that carves canyons, cultivates valleys, creates communities, and sustains progress. Today, as populations swell and climates shift, the demand for clean, safe, and reliable water intensifies. Every drop matters. And behind every drop is a silent hero: infrastructure, the foundation on which communities are built. For generations, we've led the nation in engineered water transmission pipe. Now, we are more than that. We're strengthening the very core of water infrastructure, manufacturing precast systems that convey, treat, store, and manage water, utilities that form the backbone of built environments. From massive water transmission lines to cutting-edge trenchless technology, we don't just manufacture, we solve. We innovate, we build resilience. And now we are under a new name, one that represents the strength of our legacy and the power of our future. As our story moves forward, our commitment stands firm. We are united in delivering the highest quality products to our customers and creating long-term value for our stakeholders. At NWPX, we build for durability and performance. We innovate, not to chase trends, but to lead with purpose. Our products conserve water, protect ecosystems, and prepare cities for what's next, building stronger, smarter, more resilient infrastructure. This is our legacy, a legacy grounded in water. Welcome to the next chapter. Welcome to NWPX.